Spam X, KSG. Run it up. Run it up, bro. Huh, I put it on pistols only. It was supposed to be owned weapons. Sorry. That's how you know you don't listen. Put it away now. We're not even using pistols. We're not using pistols. If we weren't, that's nothing. Dance with the dogs at the nut time. Oh! No, he was using his guns. Yeah. Bro, I could easily fight you one-on-one. What are you talking about? Yeah, you're the gods of glitch fighting, right? Chop. Wait, hold up. No, this is the ring. This is a ring over here. So you only can fight in here. Cause I want to run. Okay, I can run. I can run it if I want to. Who said you was gonna chase me forever? You might be dead before you even chase me. You too. Bro, we can't fight over here. We gotta go to the ring. Go to the ring. Go to the ring. Go to the ring. You can't fight over here. We gotta go to the ring. Go to the ring. Alright. Haha. Nah, leave him alone. Fight me, fight me. Chop. So why did you kill him with your guns?
Hello?
Hey, what up, P? What up, P?
What's up? Huh?
Bro, stop
I
inviting
just
people to
turned it
the
on.
party. I don't care. Stop inviting people to the party.
I invited him earlier. That's why he got.
Bro, what are you doing? Why are you using guns?
So all y'all playing, what's her name? So all y'all playing GTA.
Hey, beat him up, PJ. I did. Alright, good looking. Alright, let's try it.
Yeah, I might go to a different party.
Oh, alright, bro. You gonna invite me to that?
Yeah.
Stop.
Drop, hey, drip, drop, drip, drippity drop. Why are you running away from me? Chop. Alright, you wanna use guns, right? Alright. Oh, you mean I got this, and I got this, and all of these? Bro, stop using guns. Bro, I wasn't even using guns. I don't have no ammo, so shut up. Bro, look at my hand. You wanna know how I got it? Stop side shooting. Why are you side shooting all the time? Why you can't just shoot in the open? No, don't side shoot it. Bad boy. Stop side shooting now. Stop doing that. You see, I wasn't even... Bro, stop doing that. Bro, you're trash. You're freaking trash. No, I'm not. You're side shooting. You can't even shoot me in the open. Look, Look at you. Look at you. Look at you, bro. That's what you get. Side shoot again and watch. Stupid. Got him. Heavy what? Ha! He left. Trash boy. And he left the party too. Trash boy. Actually, we're not. You're the one that's side shooting, so you shouldn't be talking. Bro, look, look, look. Come next to me. Come next to me. First of all, you said that I was side shooting. I was never side shooting. Yeah, that was MJ. That was MJ. That was MJ89. That wasn't me. Who? Hello. Hello. Bro, stop side shooting. Stop side shooting. Wow. Wow, bring in somebody else. Lucky what? I'll beat Josh too. He's a baby. Bro, I'ma try hard. Be quiet, bro. Okay. Am I supposed to be afraid? Hey, bro, tell him to give me a lot of money. I did. He friend requested me already. Yo, head boy. Wow. He spawned in, and then he's still side shooting. Bro, this dude is really trash. Just what? Stupid. Ring fight. Ring fight. No. Oh my, I'm not joining them. Every single time you always want to do a parkour. Okay, it's something called heist too. That gives you money too. Always want to do a parkour. Okay, you're not mine either, so you can't tell me nothing either. Okay? He's not your brother. He's not your sister. He's not your father. He's not your mom. Nothing. But you can't tell him that either, as I can. No, you can't. Why should I listen to you now? Why should I listen to you now? I'm not even a lady. It's not retard. Hello. It's called carbine. See, it's right there. What's so good about free mode? Why do you want to go to free mode so much? So bad? Bwoy! Bye bye. Bye. Bye bye. Bye bye. Oh! Oh, headshots. I always do headshots. Why do you think I kill you so fastly? Stay down, boy. Wow, I wasn't even using machine guns. I'm using my pistol. Yeah, you just said that. Are you, yo? Wow, running again. That's only a ring fight, so be quiet. Okay, in ring fights, but not in running guns. Exactly, you didn't know that, right? Wow, he's gonna shoot me. He's gonna shoot me while I'm reloading. That's what noobs do. Rose, what? Your hairline? Oh. Okay, me too. Okay. Wow, no. This was lit. This was lit. You can't lie, bro. Alright, go to free mode. Bro, you wanna do the 30K mission, and then he'll stay out, and then we could just earn 30K right now. What you said? Do you wanna do the 30K mission? What is it about? What's the name? What is it about? What is it called? What is the description? What is the description? Like, you can't just say last team standing. What? Really? A Rockets versus Insurgents. I'm in. I'm already in. Bro, it's a level 1,000. What? 1,366.
They're all of those.
No, I have a friend that's a level 8,000. 8,000, the last level. I have a friend. Yes, the last level in GTA5. Exactly. He beat the whole game, but he still played. And then is this other guy that's a level 1,004, 104. Bro, my level, I'm higher than 89, which is in crypto's thing. I'm higher than Rody. I am higher than Lucky Fran. I'm higher than Lutch Rap 13. I'm higher than Baby 11. I'm higher than No Duh Baby. I'm higher than mostly everybody. Bro, why is it only 2 KSGs in here, bro? Like, what's happening right now, bro? Why is it only 2 KSGs? Who's last by? Who's last by? Oh, Himbo? Him? That's not last by. That's last bowls. That's last bowls. Where you get last by from? Where you get that from? Really? Tell me right now. Where you get last by from? Where do you see D-I or D-Y? Spam X, spam X, spam X, KSG. Everybody in the party, spam X. Same team as your friend. Let's go. Bro, we're about to body y'all, bro. We're about to body you. And we have the level 1000 on our team. I'm taking the pink one. I know the glitch. I know the glitch too. Actually, it's not a glitch. Exactly. So be quiet. Whoa! He said he gonna do you. Okay. Congratulations. You played yourself. Bro, it's only 2 of y'all. Look how much we have, bro. Yeah, I'm spectating you, bro. Let's go, we won. No! I died. Okay, what's the problem? What's the problem? Me too, me too, me too. Okay, what's the problem here? How am I hating? I said, okay, what's the problem? Okay, I can say anything I want. I'm not even starting anything. So come out of my mouth. The gun glitch. Wait, how you get it? How you get it? Actually, that's not true. The fast car could easily just actually, it's not named fast car. It's called the X80 Proto. It's called the X80 Proto. It's not called the fast car. No, it wasn't. It's called the X80 Proto. It's called the X80 Proto. It's called the Proto. It's called the X80 Proto. Wee! How you didn't know that? Hi, papers. Sniper? Where? Where the sniper at? I want to know where it's at. No, it's Timmy Turner. She wishing for a burner. Ain't no like walking on a turner to beat it. Bro, do you know the song? Yeah, everybody does. A designer. You got your sniper? I love my doggy. I love my doggy, my doggy, my doggy, my doggy, my doggy, my doggy, my doggy. Baby, you're not gonna drop. I got you. I got you. I got you. What? What you doing? Drop top, looking on your block. I can't tell, yeah, I can't tell. On fish, I can't tell. I hope some of the headphones I have in here works. long. You remember it? Oh, I gotta get ammo. Up where? Bro. What's his name again? Jonah. Oh, no! Oh my God, every single time. Jonah. How did you kill yourself? Nah, bro. Bro, Montana is a tryhard. Montana Killer 00 is a tryhard. Why? Cause you know they'll kill you. They don't. They're way better. No, they won't. What are you talking about? They never made tryhards. Tryhards are just regular noobs that are good. But what if he kills you? Haha. Hey, yo. Hold up. I want to get the fast car. Let me get it. I want to get it this time. Good. Mm. Mm. That's what the dogs at the night time. In the kitchen with twisted like stir fry. What's good, Tony? Nah, you just joined it. Just join the party, Tony. Are you in it? Are you in the party? Huh? Bro, look. I got a bubble for myself. I'm just kidding. When I went to a skating place, right? They had it for $5 and I just bought it. Matter of fact, join my session, bro. Join my session, cause yeah, we left. That thing is annoying. That thing is annoying. Probably because they don't like you. What? Bro, my player's stuck in a tree. No. Bro. I'm gonna invite you to my session because it's private. Huh? If I'm doing a broadcast? Yeah. Who invited you? Is it this guy named Blue Dream? Oh. Bro, join my session. We doing a ring fight right now. Alright. Join quick from the party. Join quick from the party. Hurry up. They're about to start it. They're about to start. Just hurry up, bro. Hurry up. Hurry up. Join from the party. Join. Join.
What you said?
Cause we need you to join.
I ain't got no online, nigga. Me, nigga.
Paper, I'm sorry. I kicked my dog by accident. No, he didn't start it yet. Bro, spam X. Go to game chat and spam X, bro. Go to game chat. Hey, bro. What's good, KSG? Jackson. Jackson, start it up. Start it up, Jackson. He's my friend. Jackson's my friend. Bro, put it for 20 minutes. Put it on 20 minutes, bro. KSG spam X. KSG spam X when he started up. Alright, spam X. Spam X, KSG. Spam X, KSG. And let's go. No. What? Wait, I ended the call?
Yes.
Oh, that was by accident. I didn't know. Ready up and do the rock. 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 Ready up. Do the rock and ready up. Jackson, do the rock. Bro, only a fist came out. Oh, they jumping me, bro. What are y'all doing, bro? Bro, we acting like some trash people, bro. Like, what you doing, bro? What you doing, baby? What you doing, baby? Oh! Nah, they not finna jump me, bro. Nah, bro, I'm out. I'm out. No! Yeah, jump him. Alright, we catching up, bro. Everybody get in the ring. We took over their territory. Everybody get in the ring. Everybody get in the ring. Get in the ring quick, quick, quick. Oh, then. Oh, what? My phone just turned off. Yeah, we take it over. Bro, what are you doing? Why did you hop out? No, we playing a lit ring fight right now. Like 12 people is in it, bro. Bro, what are y'all doing? 89, what are you doing? Bro, you just let us get beat up and I saw you. Cause you was right there. Bro, I already did the gun glitch, so now they done. They done now. Wait, do you have the motorcycle glove dude's lagging like crazy, bro. Wait, did somebody tell this dude to chop? Bro, everybody get in a ring. Bro, what are you doing? Why are you watching us get beat up? What are you doing? I thought this was a team, bro. Like, bro, what are you doing? Bro, Tony, these dudes is trash. Beat him up. Oh! Wait, Demaje, you chopped him? Bro, that's your final chop. No! Bro, I can't invite you to the party right now, bro. Join the party. It's not even private. There's only 4 people in it. Oh, what? Yo, this dude just executed all of us. Hey, Anzar.
You don't got no school tomorrow?
I don't think so.
Is this okay? Yeah, you got school, buddy.
I have school?
Yeah, buddy.
You got school tomorrow.
Bro, you lucky.
You got spring break.
Is yours spring break? Spring break is for you?
What city you in?
I'm at PS 1E6. Bro, I can't do. Oh my god. Bro, you can't join? Oh, that's because it just turned private.
I can tell that no one around these parts. So, I can't vote, but I don't give a damn. Hello. Hello.
Bro, I can't see your name, bro.
See my name there, but ooh. Hi.
No.
How you gonna see my name but you want to
Oh, you eating? What you eating? Nah, I hear the chips, bro. What you eating, bro? I hear the chips. What you eating? Alright, I invited you. Yes. Bro, it's 6 minutes and we already at 96. Bro, we got 103 in 5 minutes, bro. It's crazy. Bro, you can't chop like me, bro. Not like me, though. Oh, mother. No! Oh my god, where's my teammates at? Bro, y'all some bad sports. Oh! He chopped me. Shut that baby off. I don't want to hear its dumb mouth. What? Shut him up. Bro, I invited you to the party already. Mm. Mm. Shut that baby off now. Idiot. What? How do you name your cars? Can you tell me how to do it?
But I did it a long time. Huh? What's it called? Is that who shit called?
No, I'm already on the phone with you.
Somebody's calling me.
Oh,
Somebody's literally calling me.
nobody.
My phone is
Bro, we got 21K. $40. Oh my God.
everything is black except two things.
Hit the score. Hit the score. Okay, nobody cares. We can use the brass knuckles whenever we want. What you said, bro? It's KSG. It's not KSJ. Where did you get J from? Oh, this dude is retarded. KSG right now. Bro, how many, like, bro, just do a 3-on-3. Bro, that's not even numbers. That's not even numbers. Hey, KSG spam X. Why you put it on normal? No brass knuckles, bro. Cause I'm not finna win. I'm not finna do all of that. What? 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 I'm killing everybody. I don't care. I'm killing everybody. Bro, why you put it in first person? No, he put it in first person. Oh my God. This dude's retarded. This dude's retarded. I can't see it first person. Chop. Oh, he chopped me too. Who? All of us? I can't even lag run. tweaking. I can't see. Bro, this dude is either stupid or dumb. I think he's dumb. It's no KSG, bro. I can't hit nothing. I can't see. Bro, I'm dead about to leave this right now because I'm not finna like do all of that right now. Wait, I chopped him. I can't freaking. I can't see. Bro, I'm leaving this now. Tony, I'm about to join your session, alright? I'm gonna join your session.
Okay.
Leaving the party too.
Let me get it from my computer. I don't really know chat. Last time.
Tony!
And then somebody texts you. And then somebody texts you. Cancel.
119 of my friends is playing right now.
Jalen, that.
Bro, I'm gonna join your session, alright? No, your party I meant. I meant your party. I'm in your session, bro, so you could,
I'm a perk, nigga. Don't kill me.
Bro, what y'all doing? Y'all doing a rank fight? Tony, what y'all doing, a rank fight?
Real life with your ball head.
Stop, bro.
You, nigga.
Tony!
Hey, y'all. I'm gonna tell y'all something. AJ is gay. He sent me a picture of his video.
Tony sent me it too. Bro, when did I get in the party? Bro, I got in the party 5 minutes ago. What are you talking about?
That's too much. Yeah, I did not see that.
What? kill me. Wow, 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 wow. Ooh. Big boxing of the blood going on. Hey, hey, to my homies, can I walk? Walk. Stop. Hey, they bombing it. Bro, I'm joining a session right now, and they kicked me and you. They kicked me and you, just because. No, and then they said that we was talking smack, boy. El Toady. I know, bro. I'm in your session, bro. Hey, what's good, bro? I'm in your session.
Alright.
Join my thing. Join my motorcycle club. Wow, they the one that kicked us out the party and they joined my motorcycle club. Hold on, let me kick them out of it real quick.
Man.
Those niggas stupid.
She's
Bro, he
talking
killed
about
you.
it.
Tony, join my motorcycle club, bro.
Man, somebody
I
trying to
invited
kick
you.
me out, so I'm gone.
Alright. Ah, they freaking. Bro, you gotta fight me again.
I gotta invite you again. Alright, let me invite you right now.
Bitch, don't ever shoot me again, bitch. Don't fucking shoot me again, nigga.
Alright. I invited you.
Nigga just fucking killed me with his ugly ass.
Hold up, wait, hold up. I'm gonna start up a stand your ground, and I'm not gonna invite MJ. I'm only invite you. I'm only invite all of y'all that's in the party. Only y'all. So who's in the party? Tony. I know Tony is.
No, do not join.
Oh, what's up, PJ?
MJ.
That's what MJ texted us.
He didn't text me.
Bro, wait, hold up. Let me see. Ugly ass boy. He is ugly. Bro, he is ugly.
Somebody come here. I gotta come here. Everyone drop it.
I see you, Toady. I see you. I see you on your hoverboard with your dad, I think. I don't know.
Yeah, my dad. Somehow he
Tony,
disease, like,
Tony, I'm gonna invite you to my thing, Tony. I invited you to it. Join.
You're not doing already?
Join it.
Oh yeah.
Cause I'm gonna start up a standard ground. Alright, I'm gonna start up a standard ground. Give you 30K.
Man, I ain't got no bullets. They keep freaking shooting me.
Wait, you don't got no bullets? I'll share some bullets with you.
No, you ain't got shit. No, I'm just tripping to go buy something. Get it.
Oh, and it's a gun store next to me.
No, it's a bombing on me. Now they trying to freaking stake it. Why?
Yeah,
Mark
what?
the gun store. Please.
No.
Hey, Shay said you have to get the thing in your gun.
Alright, I invited you to the session, bro. Bro, just
Help
put
me,
your
bro.
waypoint to it.
It's crazy. No, bro, you got this waypoint on. I can't do it. That's like a dumb idea. Okay, say I'm gonna have to go to the gun store real quick. It's right by the stadium ground. I'm dead. Get off the gun store.
Hey, bro, you better hurry up because MJ is coming after me. And I need somebody else with me.
Boy, MJ is trash. You gotta shoot him right in the head.
That's all I'm doing. Hey, look,
I'm good at headshots. Me and you did headshots.
I just figured out. Guess what I just figured out?
What?
You know how you use your scope, right? I just figured out how to use it.
Okay, I forgot how to name your cars. That cool. And I just.
Bro, text me how to name your cars. Text me how to do it.
That is bio Uzi. Wait! I gotta buy my guns again.
Wait, what?
I gotta buy some of my guns again.
What? What?
I said, like, you know how you be getting your guns? And then drop them, and then somebody killed me and freaking took my freaking guns. Like, I dropped my guns, and somebody killed me, right? And guess what happened? I lost my guns.
You lost your
I gotta buy them all
guns?
over again. Yes, because
How?
when I freaking dropped my guns, this dude he sniped me.
Bro, I know how to use the scope. You want me to tell you how to use the scope in the game?
Yes. It's like this.
All
Just go to first person. I already know how. You just
How?
go to first person then, and then go to first person,
I know how to do it.
and then press the person, and then you gotta press the button how you look around, and then you gotta press it in. And then, had you seen me move my gun? How the freak I got the cops on me?
Cause you got the cops on you.
I literally
Oh,
just
look,
came
where's
here
my
and started
other-
aiming the gun.
The real savage. Come over here and come help us. Alright, this is the last time I'm inviting you, so you better join quick.
You said chicken nuggets? Wait, MJ and them is not even in the session no more. Nobody gotta get us besides Jamie.
JB, come for us. JB, come for us.
And there's somebody else. Yep. Jamie
Yes.
and that dude. Yeah. Yeah, it's gonna be a 2-2.
We want you to kill us. We want you to
This
kill
dude
us.
invited me to channel parkour. I'm finna go to it. This dude just invited me to the parkour.
No, don't join it. We
I'm
need
gonna
you.
invite y'all. Forget him. He's gonna lose. I'm gonna invite y'all. Y'all, he hard or something.
Oh my god, always want to freaking do a parkour, like.
Man, I'm good at parkour, and I need to kill this sucker. Join it, y'all. Join it. Hurry up and join. This dude wants some smoke. No, I'm joining it because I want to kill this dude. And this dude want to go to game chat. I'm game chat. He's gonna kill me. Huh? He's gonna kill me. Huh?
Hold up, invite me again. Oh wait, I'm already in.
Okay, I'm going to game chat. What?
Are you serious right now?
Sanjay, he say he killed us on accident. I mean, Sanjay. Hey, Sanjay, I
What?
gotta get the freaking outfit, bro. I forgot to put on the outfit. I'll put on the outfit, alright?
Yeah, you gotta save, right?
But I forgot to do the freaking thing.
What thing?
Wait, make sure they don't kill me, bro. I gotta put on my outfit. I'll call it Twinsy. I did this parkour before, bro. This gonna be easy. Alright, let me put on my. Okay, I got my outfit on. Bitches, y'all easy. I'm just.
No, I wanna fight.
I wanna fight, fool. I wanna fight, fool.
I wanna fight.
Oh shit! Dang, Jamie. Beat your ass, Jamie. JMJ, I hate him. Kill
Who said
every
I was
30
playing
seconds.
around?
Nigga, I ain't playing around. What's up, Sergeant? Sergeant, why you in a freaking purple car? Tony. Alright, go.
Move, Tony. Wait.
Nigga, I'm slowing down because of you. Shit, I don't know how to do this either. I did this before, but I did it with a bit. Well, I did it with a motorcycle. I'm driver. Bro. I'm going, nigga. Yeah. It said PJ spectator. You did not see that.
Oh, bro.
No! Bruh, I'm right now. I'm the only one that's making this. I'm the one in the lead right now. I'm never running. I'm finna make this. I'm almost there already. Yep. This is so easy. I don't think I can drop it.
Well, if you're on the
I was
team,
trying to.
yes.
Hell no. I would just give it to Jamie, bro, if y'all just say so. Whoa, MJ is up here. Hey, somebody up here that's not on my team. Nigga, I'm going. Fuck you, nigga. I'm going, nigga. Somebody on the team that's not up here. Somebody up here, and he not on the team. MJ made it. Shit. Damn it, I gotta make it before him. Get your ass from behind me, pussy bitch. Shit. Damn, he's still right behind me. I gotta drive fast on this nigga. Oh! How did I do that? I made this nigga fall. I made him fall. How did I do that? I scared this nigga. Like, I drove over everything. And I made it right back on the... I was like, no, and I hit it. Is this a ramp?
No! Oh my god.
Okay, I'm probably finna fall off. It's the damn one. Oh, what the hell? This shit is low. Oh, hell no. What kind of ramp is this? Oh, this is easy. I just said that. It's not even... Where's MJ though? Did MJ make it? Did he fall? Did y'all see him down there? Oh, if he didn't, that means he made it.
Can we fight, please?
No! Oh, I thought I fall off. I go right back home. I made it.
Jamie, I want to fight you.
Yep. I'm at the... When I mean I made it, I'm at the guns. It's freaking guns. Nigga, you better not hit me. Do not hit me. Do not come in strong though, cause you come in strong, bitch. You gonna hit me hard. It's a parachute.
Now I want to fight you.
Man, just fight him, you scary ass. Bruh, it's only snipers. Oh shit.
Tony, you got guns?
It's only sniper and missiles and this freaking gun. It's a rifle. No, there ain't no bombs up here. Oh, yes it is, yes it is, yes it is. Oh shit.
Bro, I aimed.
The enemy made it! I did not see him! You want to tell me somebody was up there? That was stupid! Yes! Yes! Yes, I made it, buddy. I do got a gun, though. I do got a gun. You got some guns?
Bro, let me have some. Let me have some. Let me have some guns.
Daddy, shit, son.
Drop
Dude,
it.
it's only freaking... Say, want me to give you a sniper?
No. I don't want no sniper. Give me the...
If I give you a assault rifle, that's all the guns I get.
Just give me it. Why you gave me the sniper?
Snipers. I only got 2 snipers.
I don't want this sniper.
Take it, stupid. Oh shit, dang.
What y'all niggas doing, bro? I'm leaking tears again, bro. I'm leaking tears, bro.
Shoot these niggas. You know y'all grab the cars.
Man, y'all niggas do not hear me.
Jamie got a gun. He got a flare. What a flare gonna do to me?
Man, bro, who hearing me anyway? I know.
No, Tony, I want to fight him.
I fight each other then. What I do with the guns at? They out there making it again, go get some more guns. I fight me then, bitch.
Man, who sound like a baby?
Somebody's shooting me. There ain't Jamie, that's that dude. He made it down here with a gun. Bitch. His teammate got a gun.
Who is Jamie?
I'm using headshots now.
Man, bro.
Nobody shoot me, nigga. Nobody shoot me, nigga.
Hey, somebody play with me.
I got your back, bro. Shit. What I do with that with the gun?
Hey, where y'all?
What the frick?
Why y'all niggas ain't gonna play with me? Cause ain't nobody.
My bad, JB. I tried to shoot the nigga with the gun. I didn't know if it's Jamie. I'm sorry.
He gonna shoot you.
Watch out, Jamie, move! Jamie, move! God, Jamie! So stupid ass. No, I'm shooting Jamie. Fuck him.
Man, y'all niggas just shut up.
How about?
Yes, it was you. You in the freaking way. I'm trying to shoot this dude. So stupid ass. Who
Man,
freaking
I'm
got
leaving.
this?
Y'all argue too much.
This freaking stupid ass Jamie.
Who blew it up? Who blew up the cars? I can't do it.
That was that dude that killed. That's that dude that killed you. That was Shay Shay.
No.
I'm gonna blow up this nigga now. I'm not trying to aim at the car, but I'm trying to.
Hey, I got a car. I'm out. I'm trying to make it.
Make
No,
it.
he shot on my tire. Oh my god, bro. This dude just ruined everything for me.
It's a car over here. It's a cars over here. It's 3 more cars. What the? You shot all the. Jamie, move! Jamie, why the frick you running me over? Stupid ass. Bro. Yes, it was you. I saw you in that freaking pink car with your dumb soul. Shut up.
No, it wasn't Jamie. It wasn't Jamie. It wasn't Jamie. It was MJ.
No, he ran me over. Oh, that's MJ. I'm stupid. That's MJ. My bad, Jamie.
Oh my god! I can't get in no car.
Bro, this dude started freaking sniping me. I'm gonna beat his ass.
Bro.
Dummy idiot.
Hey,
I killed that dude that was sniping y'all.
ain't got nobody there.
Ugh.
Thank you.
No, man.
I wanna get a player.
Hey, Juice. Let me invite my boy Juice to y'all party.
I don't know him. Well, I got a minigun. Who want the minigun?
Hey, let me fight Juice. Don't take his
Bro,
spot.
how the frick he didn't blow up? He right next to the freaking car. How you snipe me? You ain't got. Nope. I thought I did.
Thank
Oh yeah,
God.
Sawyer. Bro, why the frick you just hit me? Who's freaking hitting me?
Bro! Oh my god, bro. Move. Nah, bro, you was dead close to me. You was right next to me, bro.
Shit, why the frick you run me over? Shit, I
Tony,
get
get in and let's go. Let's
Bang
go,
up.
Tony. Tony, let's go. Oh my god. I'm out.
What's up?
No. I'm out.
Bye
I'm
bye.
out. No. I can't make it. Oh my
Thank
god.
you. Thank you, bro.
Tony, get in the car and go. Quick.
Ain't nigga shooting me. No, drive.
Dang. I'm out.
You do. Y'all about to do the gun glitch. Carly, I'm gonna drop.
They shooting me.
No, Jay, I'm finna kill you. Kill me. And I killed you too. A stupid teammate, he look at him. Bro, what is he using? This dude got the money glitch. Cause he changed the freaking thing. How is I'm raging? Tell me one thing. This run me over. I will shoot you. Look at your dumb self. Not me, Jamie, so stop it. I need a car, bro. Say, if I'm back.
Me too. I'm about to make it. I'm over here.
Bro, see if I got in a freaking car, this dude just sniped me. How this freaking thing is this?
Oh yeah, I'm right here, bro. What's good?
Bro, if you try to run me over in this freaking black car.
Hold on.
Oh, he started freaking shooting me.
Yeah.
And I just started using a freaking car.
Now what do I do?
Jamie, get out that car.
Oh, we go this way. Did you miss it?
That's why MJ just missed me.
Did you miss it? Oh my god, he missed it. I'm gonna wait for you, bro.
Go, nigga. Okay,
I'm gonna just do the gun
glitch.
glitch right now. I'm gonna just do the gun glitch right now.
No, 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 no! Oh my god, I went to that. Man, I need some help down here, bro. A lot of people. Not you, man.
Who's D Money Meitner? Exactly, like. No, he's my friend. He's my friend. I can't find him. In my. No, I like.
Who is this
Merriweather,
dude, bro?
because security is a private matter. What can I do for you?
He's like the piece of killing
Thank you
me.
for your
Alright, I
business.
called the
Your
ammo drop.
munitions
It's
are on
coming
their
soon.
way.
Let's go, he didn't kill me.
He's.
No, they chasing me! Help me! These people are chasing me. Do you think I should get out the car and shoot
Alright, I got it. I got my ammo drop.
Jamie, stupid.
Made it weird. What? You didn't wait for me?
Nope, that ain't going shit.
I didn't even see you pass me.
I'm on a ramp. Who dare me to make this again?
You can't. What?
You think that was booty guns. That's the same thing I said. When I first saw the gun. They are booty guns. They snipers and rifles and that's it. And freaking bombs. I ain't getting no bomb though. Oh shoot. No! What the freak? You can't blow up myself.
Who, Shay
My
Shay?
name is not
Of course
Shay.
I'm at the bottom. Cause you didn't wait for me.
He called you a thing, if you know that.
Thanks, Jamie. Idiot.
Y'all not even helping me, bro.
We can't help
You
you.
did a gun glitch.
We can't help you. Quiet.
And he got his best guns. But his guns ain't doing nothing.
But I got the special carbine.
I'm killing Jamie.
Wait. How?
Oh, I
How
killed
is he
him.
sniping me right now?
How he snipe you if I killed him?
No, come on. Let me get in. Let me get in, bro.
Oh, no, get in. How the freak you land on my
Yeah,
car?
mommy.
It's
Okay.
already
Hey,
8:30.
hurry
That's
up.
what he said. Turn it off. She said turn it off. It's
Shay,
8:30.
you see a sniper?
You gotta go.